Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can change your language in your Google Chrome web browser on your computer. So open your Chrome and then click on the three dots in the top right corner. Now scroll down and go to the settings option. On the left hand side of the settings page, go to the languages, which is between on startup and downloads. Here in this page, go to the preferred languages section and here click on add languages. Here, type the language that you want to add. I'm going to go ahead and search for Spanish or Espanol. Go ahead and check the box beside that specific language and tap on add. Now, beside that specific language, click on the three dots and select the box of display Chrome in this language and you'll be done. Now tap on relaunch. Your Chrome will restart and your entire browser language will be changed. If the option is still grayed out, it means that Chrome does not fully support that language for its interface. You'll need to choose a different language that is supported. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.